Hey guys, this is Ship to WhatsApp once more, and in this video I am going to unbox this HRX Mi band that I have bought from eBay. It cost me around 999 as it is a refurbished product. So let's see its outer look. So here it is written Mi. Here a Mi band picture has been given here. Here it is Mi band HRX edition, and here it is written Mi. Once more in the back you can see few specifications which are written here. Mi band HRX, you can see. I hope that other than this, here is written Mi band 2i, quantity 1, battery capacity 70 mAh, it contains DC 5.0 volt, and it comes with input current 65 mA and Bluetooth 4.0 BLE. So its actual price is 1799, which is written on the box, but as it is a refurbished product and I have bought it from eBay, it cost me around 999. It is water resistant IP67. Moreover, it comes in color black, and other than that some other information are given here. It comes with Bluetooth smart support. Here it is written mi.com. Here made in China, is imported on August 2017, manufactured in August 2017. So nothing more in the box. So let's enter into its content and see how the product is delivered to us. So as it is a refurbished product, so the seal is already broken, you can see from previously. So I am opening the box. So the box will open like this. Inside this box, cushion, and other than that, this is a box. Oh no, where is the product? Oh ha, as it is a refurbished product, thus in place of here the Mi band is placed inside it. That's not an issue. So there is the Mi band sensor, the main unit. Other than this, we get a strap. It is the strap. It's quite comfortable. It is very soft too. Here it is, a batch is there where it is written HRX edition, and we have to do like this to strap the batch like this. Okay. Other than this, we get a user guide. In spite of being a refurbished product, we also get a user guide. Here you can use this for as a guide, so keep it aside. Other than this, we will get, I think here is a charger or USB cable. It is a USB cable that we get along with it. Here we can get 2 notch. We just have to plug this Mi sensor here like this to make it charge. It is above the display. You can get a display small. Here is it, and at the back it is written Mi. Other than this, here are 2 ports for charging, and this is a button which we will use to navigate through all the menus. So I will first put this inside the strap to make it run. So we have to put it through the back. So I have put it inside the strap, you can see. So it is here. To run it, I will first pair it with my phone. So keep all the items aside. Here is my phone. It is Redmi Note 4. It is also a Mi phone. I have already installed the Mi Fit application here. You can install it from the Play Store. So it is the Mi Fit application. For pairing it, you have to open the Mi Fit application. And for now, I am using my Facebook account.
You have a new method.
So here you have to give all your details, like your date of birth, height, weight, and gender for having a great experience. So I will give them all. Okay, I have given all the required data here, and it is totally done. Now I have to pair this device with this. For that, I have to turn on my, pairing with this, I have to keep this as much close to my phone, and I also have to on my Bluetooth for pairing with this, as it paired with the help of Bluetooth. So I will pair. Here you will get a option for choosing band, watch, scale or smart shoes. I have the band, it is Mi Band, so I will choose the band. Okay, got it, and we will go forward. So here you can see I have paired my device with it. Here you can see today I have not used it. Here it is given 7 meter as it is shown here, 11 step and 7 meter, I think 1 meter, and here is the data of today. You can run through it and you can use this by using your GPS, outdoor running, treadmill, outdoor cycling, walking and many more activities. You can monitor all your activities throughout the day. Here is the Mi Band HRX, where you can also keep all the time report on this, what is going on here or what is going on in your phone. You can get simply with this band. You can also take incoming calls through the help of this, and other than that there are alarm, app alerts, idle alert, find band and discoverable and many more options which you can use on every feature. Now it is 97% charge. You can see here you can see it is 97% charge. So you can also make your phone screen lock my see I have already given a pattern. I am keeping this aside for showing you this facility. I am keeping this aside. Okay, now I have on my smartphone and now I have to give the pattern or I have to use my finger to unlock it, but as the Mi Band I will take it nearer to it, it will unlock automatically. So it is not unlocked. I have kept the Mi Band here, swipe the screen, it unlocked. So it is some few features you can get through it. There are incoming call option, alarm, app alerts and many more. So I hope you have liked this video, and nothing more to explain about this. This is a Mi Band at $9.99. It is a refurbished product, but till it's look gorgeous enough and with good strap, and I found nothing old in this hardware, only the packaging, except that the Mi Band look quite comfortable. So up to this in this video, meet you in the next video, and in the next video I will try to make all your doubts clear by saying what is refurbished product and how you can buy used product from or unboxed product from eBay. So goodbye guys, meet you in the next video. Jai Hind.